Many advisors will tell you the second you leave a job, you need to move that 401k. They make it seem like it's some sort of simple cleanup task. It's not. It's a high-stakes pivot. Today, I'm going to show you what my industry is not really willing to confess. Rolling over your 401k might be the worst move for you and your family. If you make a knee-jerk decision because that's what everybody else does, you're walking into a care trap. You risk locking yourself out of your own cash and handing a gift to an advisor who may not be required to act in your best interest. So today, I'm going to look at the Rule of 55, the one-word filter for choosing an advisor, and a ghost trap that could cost your heirs millions. So hey, let's get to this. First, let's talk about liquidity. Most people think that 59.5 is the law for access. It's not. If you're a high earner planning on an early exit, or if you leave your job at say 55, 56, or even 57, you can often access that money without the 10% penalty. But the second you roll that into an IRA, the Rule of 55 vanishes, and you've just throttled your flexibility. You're now locked out until 59.5. Of course, unless you want to pay that 10% impatience tax to the IRS. Activity is the antidote for anxiety, but wrong activity, that's just expensive. So before you move a dime, you need to know if you're trading away 4 years of financial freedom just to simplify your dashboard. Next, let's look at who's actually giving you this advice. You'll hear two terms bandied around. They sound identical. There's fee-only and fee-based. A fee-only advisor is a true fiduciary. We're legally obligated to work in your best interest 100% of the time. But a fee-based advisor, that's a care trap. They wear two hats. One is for you, the other is for their commission. If they start explaining away that fee-based is kind of the same thing, just walk away. If this is the kind of reality that's helpful, hit subscribe. We deal in strategy here, not cliches. But I also want to warn you about the danger of doing nothing. There's a technical reality called ERISA, and it's the federal law that governs 401k. And it does not care about your will, your spouse, or your kids. I've seen million-dollar accounts go to an ex from 20 years ago because the beneficiary paperwork was never updated. Federal law overrides current spouses. Leaving it alone is not a strategy, it's a massive legal risk. So, how do you actually decide? We're going to walk through that together. This is the same process I use with my private clients. And when we're done, you'll have a roadmap. You'll know without a doubt that you're making the correct decision for your family. And here's the kicker. I don't even ask how much is in your account. This isn't about account balances. This is about strategy. And if you want a second opinion, click the link below for a 15-minute yes or no diagnostic. No sales pitches, no jargon, and no hype. Just a second pair of eyes to make sure you aren't handing a gift to the IRS or a ghost beneficiary. So hey, stop the knee-jerk reactions, get technical reality, and I'll see you in the next video.